FBELE was founded in 1997, and its main products include FPC flat cable connectors, strip connectors, FFC connection harnesses, SMD pin holders, board-to-board connectors, roll-pin busbar, and other different kind of card holder connectors. We provide customers with one-stop customized services from design to ultimate, mainly applying in industrial machinery, security, healthcare, robotics, and industrial automation, ensuring the reliable transmission of various signals, data, and power supplies in the equipment. FBELE Company, make your electronic devices more intelligent.